You tend to open the second box. That thunder though. Feels like one of the smallest box sets ever. Only has 20 volumes. Size comparison. Well, let's get it open. Velcro should be on top. Again, really good Velcro. That's cool. That's a cool concept, you know, they're fighting. I feel like they should have done something here. You know, good orange. It's not, you know, faded or anything like that. Not bad, not bad. I like it. Let's see here. Pilot chapter again. Double-sided poster. Beautiful. I don't make these videos for like entertainment or money. I just make them because, you know, hey, I want to see somebody unbox these boxes like the day that they're released. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Sorry that I'm sick. Sorry that I don't edit. Sorry that I'm shaking because I'm sick. Shit like that, you know. Shit happens. Alright guys. And I already pre-ordered the box for Claymore and also Naruto Box Set 3 that's already on Amazon. Good shit, good shit. I don't think even Viz Media has announced it, but Amazon already has Naruto Box Set 3 announced on Amazon, I guess. But they haven't announced it on this that I know of.